guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm seriously so excited to be teaming up with my good friends at Lily Grace to share with you guys a mystery box unboxing. You guys know how much I love Lily Grace. I'm currently wearing one of their preppy pocket tees right now, and I have been wearing it all summer. I love the look of oversized t-shirts. I have been ordering them 2 sizes up, so usually I'm a size small, but I have been ordering a size large, and I just love the fit. I think they're really fun for summer as a pool cover up, or just kind of like that visco girl, like oversized t-shirt look. I think they're just so fun, and they have the cutest designs ever, so be sure to check out their site. I will have it linked down below. But the beauty of the mystery box, which I'm about to share with you guys, I'm seriously so excited because I've never done one of these, is I always feel like it's so hard to pick out a super cute preppy t-shirt, where this is beautiful because they pick it out for you. It's totally random, but it's so cool because it might be something that you would never pick out and you will fall in love with it. So I'm seriously so excited to be doing this unboxing. Thank you so much, Lily Grace, for reaching out to me, and we're just gonna get started. So just open it up, and it's got really cute tissue paper in here. And I already see some pink peeking through, which you guys know how much I love pink. So the tissue paper is just navy. And I forgot to mention, in these mystery boxes, they include 2 other goodies. So I got a koozie. This is seriously so cute. It's got a little palm tree on it, and it says, "Shake your pom-poms." I feel like that is so cute. And of course it's pink, so they just know me so well. So sweet. And then they sent me their Lily Grace tumbler. I love this. I think their logo is seriously the cutest thing ever, and it's got like little green seersucker. Perfect little water bottle. I love the cap. I'm so into using like reusable water bottles. I think it's so good for the environment and everything, and these are just so nice to have on hand if you're going to the gym or going to the pool. And then they sent me 3 t-shirts. Look how fun these colors are. I feel like this might be like colors that I wouldn't typically gravitate towards, so it's like that beautiful thing with the mystery boxes. I will put on the screen how you can order a mystery box off their site. I feel like they're pretty affordable too, and you get to pick out your size and everything. So like I mentioned, I did get everything in a size large just to have that oversized look, which I absolutely love. I feel like it's just a really fun style. I believe I have a discount code, which I will put in the description box if I do, but if not, I will be sure to shoot them an email and be like, hey, can you help a girl out, so I can help you guys. But the first top is this beautiful pink color. I love pink. This is like a watermelon color, and it has their little pocket right here, which is what I'm wearing right now. I love their white logo on it. I feel like it's so crispy and so clean. One of my favorite things about wearing oversized t-shirts is rolling up the sleeves. I feel like with it being oversized already, it just kind of adds a more feminine touch to it and kind of makes it look a little less boxy, but I think it's so cute. And then the back of it says bows and bells, and I feel like this is so fitting. It's got this really pretty big blue bow on it. I love the little pop of yellow. I have been wearing a lot of pink, purple, and yellow lately, so this just fits my aesthetic perfectly. Their designs are so cute, and they have a little subtle little Lily Grace in there. Their shirts are 100% cotton, which is so nice because I love a good cotton t-shirt in the summer. And then this is what their tag looks like. So cute. I just love their brand. And then the second one I got is this really pretty like teal color. I'm so bad at like determining greens, blues, and teals. I feel like everyone's like, oh no, that's green or it's blue. I think this is teal, but I could be so wrong on that. It has a little pocket tee right there with their logo. And the back of it says, "Here comes the sun, da da da." So cute. I love the sunflower. Again, I get that little splash of yellow in it. I love the font they picked, and it has a little bit of metallic. And again, this is 100% cotton. It's seriously so soft and a little stretchy. It's got some give. And one of my favorite things about their company is it has like their branding on here, which I feel like that is always just that little extra step companies don't always do, but I think it's so awesome when they do. And then the last t-shirt that I got is this like more aqua teal. It's kind of like a light blue shirt, and this has the pocket tee on it as well. And this one says "Jeeping it real," kind of like keeping it real, and it has a Jeep on it. What a pretty fun little design logo on the back. Again, these are so fun to wear all summer, but they also have like a Christmas line that comes out in, I want to say November, maybe December. And I still have my Christmas preppy t-shirts from them from, I want to say 2017, and I wear them all holiday season. I think they're so fun. It's got a little American flag on it, and this one is called the Jeeping It Real in Mint. So this color is mint. I wonder what the other ones are. this one off the tag. Where is the tag? I might have ripped the tag off that one, so I'm not sure. I think that's like the sunflower one. And then the first one, this one is called Bows and Bells, and this is in the shade Pink. I love it. So I would love to know in the comments down below which shirt is your favorite out of the three of them. I honestly think this one might be my favorite because I don't own any preppy t-shirts in this color, and I feel like this is going to be so new to style and everything for me. But huge shout out to Lily Grace. I will have them linked down below in case you guys want to check them out. I seriously am obsessed. I love their Instagram feed. It's so cute and so colorful, and I just think they have the cutest designs, and it's definitely worth checking out. So just again, a huge shout out to Lily Grace. Thank you so much. I had so much fun opening up my mystery box, and I'm excited to style all of these pieces. If you guys would like to see a preppy t-shirt summer lookbook, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and I will get working on that. And I just hope you're having a wonderful day. Let me know how you're doing. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. And just a huge thank you to you guys for watching my videos and supporting me. I really appreciate it, and it means the world to me. And I just love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys.